Best SUVs of 2022 and 2023. Midsize, Hyundai Santa Fe. For those who don't need a third row of seats but still like the idea of a midsize crossover, the 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe offers a comfortable, spacious cabin and a premium appearance, earning it a spot on our Editor's Choice list. 4 different powertrains are offered, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. Midsize luxury EV, BMW iX. Based on the Vision iNext concept that BMW showed back in fall 2018, the production 2022 9 is the brand's first all-electric SUV and it's mighty compelling. The 9 offers an electric driving range of about 300 miles per charge, which is impressive enough to earn it an Editor's Choice Award. 2 electric motors provide full-time all-wheel drive, and carbon fiber reinforced plastic body panels help save weight. Midsize luxury, Genesis GV80. With a stately design and a serene, leather-lined cabin, the 2022 GV80 is a perfect flagship for the Genesis SUV lineup. From the moment you open the driver's door, the GV80's interior impresses with lap of luxury amenities and finishes, which earns it an Editor's Choice Award from us. Aggressive drivers will likely find performance-oriented rivals such as the Audi SQ8 and the Porsche Cayenne more enticing, but the GV80's ride is composed and comfortable. Midsize luxury, Porsche Cayenne. The 2022 Porsche Cayenne has a particular set of skills, specifically those that have to do with driving enjoyment. Despite being a 2-row luxury SUV with a heavy curb weight, it moves deliberately and gracefully. Every Cayenne has a cohesive powertrain, but their potency and fuel efficiency vary due to the sheer variety. There's a stout 355 horsepower turbo V6, a gutsier 434 horsepower twin-turbo V6, and a 460 horsepower twin-turbo V8 reserved for the performance-oriented GTS. Midsize luxury, BMW X5. The 2022 BMW X5 is a versatile player in the midsize luxury SUV segment, combining a well-appointed interior and a pleasurable driving experience in one handsome package. Even the entry-level models are richly outfitted with modern technology and convenience features, not to mention a silky smooth inline 6-cylinder engine. Midsize luxury, Volvo XC90. If driving Verve isn't the top priority when shopping for a midsize luxury SUV, the 2022 Volvo XC90, which serves up a whole lot of style and safety tech, is a solid choice. As the only 3-row in Volvo's portfolio, it's best suited for shuttling families, even if its far back seats aren't the most spacious. Still, it has one of the prettiest interiors in the class, which includes the BMW X5 and Porsche Cayenne. Large, Chevy Suburban. The 2022 Chevy Suburban has enough room to haul all 8 members of the Brady Bunch in comfort. We didn't catch the episode where Mike Brady pulls an 8,300-pound trailer, but Chevy's largest 3-row ute, the Tahoe, reviewed separately, is the second largest, is up to the task. Is the second large, Chevy Tahoe. The 2022 Chevy Tahoe is about as versatile as large SUVs come, with minivan-like passenger accommodations and pickup rivaling towing capabilities, which earned it an Editor's Choice Award. Chevy's second largest 3-row ute, the separately reviewed Suburban is the first, offers 3 engine options, a standard 355 horsepower V8, a stouter 420 horsepower V8, and a diesel 6-cylinder with a stump-pulling 460 pound-feet of torque. Large, GMC Yukon. Outside of a Savannah passenger van, nothing in the GMC truck lineup simultaneously hauls people and cargo as well as the 2022 Yukon and long-wheelbase Yukon XL. Closely related to the Chevy Tahoe and Suburban SUVs, the Yukon lineup can be had with either a 5.3 or 6.2-liter gasoline-powered V8 engine or a turbo diesel 3.0-liter inline 6. Large luxury, BMW X7. Not that long ago, the BMW most likely to double as a personal limo was the 7 Series sedan, but the 2022 X7 SUV is stepping into the role of rolling palace for the rich. With more real estate to exhibit its expensiveness and 6 seats spread among 3 rows, the biggest Beamer is well suited for affluent families.